Rosie, wake the hell up now, it's time for your first day of school.
But Dad, I don't want to go to the first day of school, I want to stay home.
Rosie, wake the hell up now, it's time for your first day of school. Okay, Anderson family, now that all three of you are ready for school, you will have to wait until the bus to come. Okay, the bus is now here. Now have a good day at school. Rosie, what are you waiting for? Get in the bus now.
No, I don't want to go to the bus, I want to stay home.
Well, too bad, so sad. You are getting in the bus and that's final. Well done, Rosie. Look what the hell you did. You just missed the bus. Now thanks to your bullcrap, I will just drop you off.
No, I will not go to school, I want to stay home.
Oh well then, I will just grab you to the car.
Oh wait, no, wah 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 wah. Wah 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 wah. I don't want to go to school. I want to stay home.
I don't care that you don't want to go to school, Rosie. We are already going to school. And stop throwing temper tantrums like a sore loser. Oh look, we're now at school. Now get out of the car.
Good morning, class. In case you didn't know me, I'm Ms. Martin. I will be your teacher for the rest of the year.
Man, I can't believe I went to school. I wish I wasn't at school. What should I do to stay home? Oh wait, I have an idea. I will flood the school, so I won't have to waste my time going to school, but first I need to ask Ms. Martin for me to go to the bathroom. Excuse me, Ms. Martin.
What is it, Rosie?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Sure, but make it quick.
Thank you, Ms. Martin. Finally, my plan is working. Now time to flood the crappy school. Alright, since I'm now in the bathroom, time to flood this school. Now I need to get out of the school before I get caught.
Oh hey Rosie, you came early. How was school?
It went good. Also the reason why I came early is because my teacher rewarded me and said that I get to go home early.
Oh, that's good, Rosie. Now let's go watch the news.
Breaking news, the Beyond Elementary School has been flooded. Now Mrs. Clementine, tell us the reason why.
Okay, the reason why this school has been flooded is because someone flooded it. Now Ms. Martin, tell us who did it.
Okay, I don't really know who flooded the school. Wait, I think I know who flooded the school. It was Rosie Anderson who did it. She asked me if she could go to the bathroom, and I said yes, make it quick. So she went to the bathroom and flooded it.
Also Rosie, if you're hearing this, then you are so expelled forever. And never come back to this school again.
Rosie, is it true that you flooded your own school?
Yes, it's true. I flooded the school because I hate school.
Oh, it's okay, Rosie. We will just give you a warning.
Really?
No. I was only joking. Rosie, how dare you flooded your school to skip school? I thought that you had to learn classes at school. But instead, you flooded the school just to have all day off. That's so it.
You are so grounded until this school gets rebuilt. Go to your room right now and go to bed. We have absolutely enough with you. Now go. Now.
No, 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 I do go to school, yo, I sorry, Ludovico, I sorry, Ludovico. Wow, 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 wow.